Now, Shebuna say hope not there for Peter Obi again for court. Victory, victory, hallelujah. And the tell una say Peter Obi will soon be declared as president. Hear what happened for court yesterday now Wednesday. Hear what happened. Today I don't want your gist. When I all listen at the thing analyze. Hear what happened for court yesterday now. Then I say Peter Obi get
now it's the turn of INEC to cross-examine the witness, but their counsel told the witness, distinguished senator. Yes, sir, he responded. I have no questions for you. The APC counsel will now have a go. He starts by making a request. My lord, please pause my time. Let me get the documents. But the presiding judge is not having it. Your time starts now, he told him. Okay, you were a former chairman of the Senate Committee on Judiciary and now the Senate Majority Leader just yesterday? Yes, that's right. The exhibit which you earlier mentioned does not contain the name of Peter Obi as a member of Labour Party. No, it does not. As a US practicing attorney, you know there cannot be conviction except there is a charge. Apart from the charge, there must be an indictment. I do. Okay, if you look at the exhibit, you know that these documents gives the second respondent a clean bill of health on any criminal record? Yes. Excellent. Please give me the exhibit. It does not contain any conviction or sentence on it? No, it does not. I don't mean to embarrass you. Do you have your New York bar membership papers with you? Yes, I do. My lord, I seek to tender the New York attorney membership and other documents. He moves in to tender them and the judges are looking at them suspiciously, which made the presiding judge to ask. It does not state anything here. It doesn't say New York. I will just call it American Bar from New York. One of these looks like a complimentary card, not an ID card. Are you tendering a complimentary card? It's done on state-by-state basis in the United States. After 5 years, you can move freely across everywhere, but everyone is a member of the American Bar. The witness tries to correct the judges, but he wasn't convinced. This one is a complimentary card and not an ID card, the presiding judge insisted. It's not, my lord, responded the APC counsel, but Honorable Justice Ada is still not satisfied. Witness, is this not a complimentary card? It is my practice card and it is complimentary. The presiding judge continued, we are finding it difficult to describe these documents and you brought 2 ID cards. They are exactly the same. We cannot take this one, it's complimentary card, but other things can be tendered. My lord, I have plenty of these cards. They issue it every year. The witness tries to convince the presiding judge, but he's still not convinced. So which one is the latest one? The witness now brings out another card and the APC counsel moves to tender it. No objections from the respondents. The LP counsel objected to the membership card being admitted in evidence. The court admitted it anyway. Now it's the turn of the LP counsel to cross-examine the witness. He begins. With a long-standing relationship with Bola Tinubu as a colleague, you know that he is a Nigerian citizen by birth? Yes, my lord. In your witness statement in page 136, paragraph 56, you said you will rely on reports of local and international observers. Yes, the witness answered, but it seems he's looking down, reading a book. This made the LP counsel to tell him, close whatever you are reading there and look at me. You are a lawyer. You know the rules. Take a look at the EU report. He moves closer to show the witness the report and he acknowledged. He now moves to tender the report. All the respondents are shouting objection and Tinubu's lawyer stood up. Levi Esayen should have told this court that he is tendering an exhibit that is already before the court. Before the court? Asked the presiding judge. Yes, Tinubu's counsel responded. It is for the PDP's case, not this. The presiding judge corrected him and admitted the EU report in evidence. The LP lead counsel continues. Please, my lord, can I respectfully request the exhibit and use it for now to save time? Yes, the presiding judge agrees with him. I just want to read page 60, paragraph 6 to you. He goes on to read the section where he talks about the states that their results are not readable and not posted on IREV. After reading, he made another request. My lord, let me go to ECOWAS report. Witness, read paragraph 17 for us. The witness begins reading it out loud in the courtroom. In this paragraph of the ECOWAS report that Tinubu's counsel tendered, it says that there were incidents of violence, killings were recorded in several states, including the Labour Party candidate in Enugu State, the senatorial candidate. After he finished reading, he told the court that he doesn't agree with the ECOWAS report. The LP counsel responded in surprise. Oh, you don't agree with an evidence you tendered in court? It's okay, you tendered it anyway. Do you have a license to practice law in the state of Illinois? I have a license to practice federal law in the United States. The forfeiture of $460,000, the court made an order that the money represents proceeds of narcotics trafficking. Is that true? It was a civil forfeiture, not a criminal forfeiture. Answer the question. At this point, the presiding judge comes in. Just answer the question. Yes, but it's a civil forfeiture, the witness responded and goes on to explain, but the judge shut him down. You are here as a witness, not an advocate. Just answer the questions. You are an IT expert, the LP counsel continued. No, I'm not. You did not present any license to practice law in New York. No, I didn't. American Bar Association is a voluntary association. It is, but you must have gotten a license as an attorney in one of the states. You know what IREV is? Yes. All through the elections, the presidential election particularly, have you accessed the IREV? I didn't have any reason to. Therefore, it is correct that since you have not accessed it, you cannot say whether the results there are readable or not. That's not correct, sir. Okay, I take it for granted that you have read very well the order made by the court in Chicago. Yes, the court in granting that order made reference to an American law for money laundering. Yes, but that was not in the petition. The judgment referred to section 981. Did they rely on the Constitution on money laundering? It's 982. Did they rely on it? They relied on 982. Did you see the letter that the IG of police got from US Embassy? Yes. Did you tender it? It was tendered. Okay, that's fine. Did the report state any response on money laundering allegations? It's a general response. They didn't see anything on Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. At this point, Tinubu's counsel comes in to defend his witness. Please let him answer. To which the LP counsel told him, I'm on my feet and you're taking my time. Your time is up already. I'm on my feet, the LP counsel insisted. Go on, Levy, the presiding judge told him. Witness, does that US Embassy report you brought here show response on money laundering? No, it does not. Very good. So the report does not address any issue. Well, the money laundering is not a criminal case. Oh, okay, that's not what I asked you, but thank you for that response. His time is up, shouted Tinubu's counsel. That's okay, I'm done. The LP counsel bows out. I hope you will not appear before this witness in the Senate one day. Oh. Honorable Justice Ugo, don't come again. Oh. I'm not in a hurry to leave what I'm doing here, my lord, responded the LP counsel. While everyone was laughing in the courtroom, Tinubu's counsel is up to address the court. My lord, there is no more re-examination. I would like to tell you that the witness stands for both the second and third respondents, and that will be all for our case. My lord, we now seek to close our case. Any objection? Asked the presiding judge. No one raised any objection, and it's now the turn of the APC counsel. My lord, we would like to tell you that the witness appeared for all of us, including the fourth respondent. My lords, you have gone through a lot and need to rest while we try to... He didn't finish his statement and turned towards Levy. You are distracting me. Please stop talking. You don't want to bring more witnesses because you don't want to damage your case further. Bring witnesses, please. I want to greet them. The LP counsel. Please, you don't have any case here. Do yourself a favor and just withdraw the case. APC are still begging for the withdrawal of this case. Just close your case, Fagbemi. You don't have any evidence and you don't have anything else to say. The LP lead counsel knows how to throw jabs. So anyway, the APC counsel continued. Levy, go and write your written address. My lord, we don't have any more witnesses and we hereby seek to close our case. It is official. Now the presiding judge is addressing the court. All respondents have 10 days each to file the written address. The petitioners have 7 days for the written address's reply and there will be 5 days to file. The court will notify everyone on the date for adoption. We will inform you about the dates.
With all this you have heard, you never see the convince Peter Obi get hope, Abi. 3 days ago here, the first annex say, make their witness can't defend them for court. Their witness say, the result wey they put for RF, say all of the blur, say you no fit read am. Result when I put for portal, na say they blur. Ah God. So if it dey blur, which result una can't read? One take declare Tinubu to be winner. EU, United Nations, come outside because INEC be the claim say there was a internet glitch. That is, there was problem on the internet on that very day of election, February 25th. That is why they no fit upload this, that. People wey supply them the beavers, come out, come declare say no, say they no get problem that day for network. EU now, United Nations now can't do their own screening. They can't check everything. Say nothing happened on that day. Say INEC know what they do when make them not post anything for their portal that day. Up day, and I just want to talk to more, but I just want to watch this one today first. So please share this video. To those people that are saying no hope, they're not the win case for Nigeria. Are you not trying to say there's no more democracy in Nigeria or there's no more justice in Nigeria? Share this video. Let them see that there is hope for Peter Obi. Tell Nana with that. In fact, I'm leaving this country.